Here is a beginner-level facilities manager quiz that covers maintenance and repairs, health and safety compliance, and budgeting and cost control. Let's go. Question 1. The process of performing regular checks and upkeep to ensure the proper functioning of equipment and buildings is called A. Preventive maintenance, B. Emergency repair, C. Reactive maintenance, and D. Facility downtime. Answer: preventive maintenance. Question 2. Which of the following is a key component of health and safety compliance in facility management? A. Ignoring minor hazards, B. Conducting risk assessments, C. Delaying safety training, and D. Reducing emergency exits. Answer: conducting risk assessments. Question 3. What is the main objective of a maintenance and repair plan? A. Increase equipment breakdowns. B. Avoid regular inspections. C. Ignore small maintenance issues. And D. Reduce downtime and increase efficiency. Answer: reduce downtime and increase efficiency. Question 4. Which of the following is not a common type of facility maintenance? A. Predictive maintenance, B. Corrective maintenance, C. Mandatory breakdown maintenance, and D. Preventive maintenance. Answer: mandatory breakdown maintenance. Question 5. What does PPE stand for in workplace safety? A. Protective property equipment, B. Public property enhancement, C. Professional protection entity, and D. Personal protective equipment. Answer: personal protective equipment. Question 6. Which type of maintenance is performed after an issue or failure has already occurred? A. Preventive maintenance, B. Predictive maintenance, C. Corrective maintenance, and D. Proactive maintenance. Answer: corrective maintenance. Question 7. What is the primary goal of health and safety compliance? A. Reduce business expenses. B. Ensure a safe and risk-free working environment. C. Avoid government inspections. And D. Delay safety audits. Answer: ensure a safe and risk-free working environment. Question 8. A fire extinguisher should be inspected and maintained. A. At least annually. B. Only when used. C. Once every 5 years. And D. Never unless required by law. Answer: at least annually. Question 9. Which budget control method helps facilities managers track and control costs effectively? A. Random expense tracking, B. Cost variance analysis, C. Ignoring budget reports, and D. Increasing costs without review. Answer: cost variance analysis. Question 10. What is the purpose of an emergency evacuation plan in facility management? A. To delay employees from leaving the premises. B. To increase panic and confusion. C. To ensure safe and efficient evacuation during emergencies. And D. To avoid regular fire drills. Answer: to ensure safe and efficient evacuation during emergencies. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which of the following is a cost-saving strategy for facility management? A. Ignoring maintenance issues until they worsen. B. Avoiding budget planning. C. Paying vendors without reviewing invoices. And D. Implementing energy-efficient solutions. Answer: implementing energy-efficient solutions. Question 12. In facility budgeting, what is an unexpected cost that arises from emergencies called? A. Fixed cost. B. Variable cost. C. Contingency expense. And D. Overhead expense. Answer: contingency expense. Question 13. Why should facilities managers conduct regular safety training for employees? A. To comply with regulations and reduce workplace hazards. B. To increase workload for employees. C. To create unnecessary expenses. And D. To avoid safety inspections. Answer: to comply with regulations and reduce workplace hazards. Question 14. Which document outlines the standard procedures for handling hazardous materials in a facility? A. Business plan. B. Material Safety Data Sheet, MSDS. C. Annual Budget Report. And D. Customer Service Policy. Answer: Material Safety Data Sheet, MSDS. Question 15. Which strategy can help facilities managers extend the lifespan of assets and equipment? A. Performing regular preventive maintenance. B. Delaying repairs until failure. C. Replacing equipment without assessment. And D. Ignoring asset tracking. Answer: performing regular preventive maintenance. Question 16. What is the purpose of facility condition assessments, FCA? A. To ignore repair needs. B. To eliminate safety protocols. C. To reduce facility value. And D. To evaluate the condition of a facility and plan for maintenance. Answer: to evaluate the condition of a facility and plan for maintenance. Question 17. Which factors should be considered when creating a facility management budget? A. Only last year's expenses. B. Future maintenance and operational costs. C. Ignoring repair needs. And D. Avoiding contingency funds. Answer: future maintenance and operational costs. Question 18. What does HVAC stand for in facility management? A. Heating, ventilation and air conditioning. B. High-value air conditioning. C. Home ventilation and air cooling. And D. Heavy vehicle air control. Answer: heating, ventilation and air conditioning. Question 19. What is the best way to reduce long-term maintenance costs in a facility? A. Ignoring minor issues until they become major problems. B. Implementing a preventive maintenance program. C. Waiting for equipment failure before fixing. And D. Not investing in quality materials. Answer: implementing a preventive maintenance program. Question 20. What is the first step in responding to a facility emergency, such as a fire or gas leak? A. Continue working and ignore the alarm. B. Call a maintenance worker to check later. C. Evacuate the building and follow emergency protocols. And D. Disable fire alarms to avoid panic. Answer: evacuate the building and follow emergency protocols. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.